Hello everybody, it's Jim the Gentleman Crafter, and today we were talking about on Facebook about using candle wax on your dies. I use the Biggs dies from Sizzix. This is the Tim Holtz Gadgets gears that I just received, and what I was talking about with the candle wax, it's a great way. Here's just a tip for something that works for me. Is that I use, sometimes the little pieces, the chipboard pieces get stuck in the smaller parts, and you can kind of see where I'm getting stuck is right here. You can also see where I've been using Tim's pick, which is a lovely piece to use, and it still helps. When these little sponge pieces here get compressed too far down after it's been used and used and used, you'll have to pick it out. But what I found that really works for me, especially with these little movers and shapers dies, it's tough sometimes to get these out of the die. And if you'll take candle wax, this is actually candle wax has been melted, obviously, but it is one of those things that you used to run thread through to wax the thread. And I somehow just use it, but any kind of candle or any kind of wax. And what I do is I just rub it inside, and it's kind of messy. I mean, honestly, it's messy, and if you don't want to get your dies all dirty, then this isn't the tip for you. But I'm going to rub it on the two points that give me problems. I keep this down in here, and then I'm going to take my chipboard, and I am going to cut that. And I'm using my Big Shot Pro. I have a Vagabond. I have a bunch of die cutters, but this is what makes me happy. It's because, and the reason why is it's always out. I keep it over here in my die cutting section, and I usually use it over there, but since I'm cutting so many of these tonight and I have to cut quite a bit of these big gears, I use it. I brought it over here. Anyway, so you can see where it just pops it out. Whereas before these were getting stuck down in there. And this just brings it up and helps lubricate it. Somebody today said you could also use fabric dryer sheets. I have not tried that. And unfortunately, I don't have any fabric dryer sheets to show you how it works. But once again, that's just a tip that helps you get your die cut pieces out. And yes, on your first couple of runs, you're going to get some of this wax, but just pull it off with a cloth or something, and it's gone. Okay, so just a tip to use candle wax on your dies. It helps release your die cut pieces or some of the excess that comes with it. Anyway, that's it. Hope you have a great night, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.